Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and I am your IELTS speaking examiner. May I know your name, please? Alright guys, this video is going to be unique and wonderful because I'm going to conduct your IELTS speaking test. Let's give it a try. If you like this style of speaking practice, comment this video, do let me know, and I'll make dozens of videos like this. Okay, yes, it's a promise. Whatever you guys like, you watch, I make that. So, in this video, I'm going to conduct your IELTS speaking test. Sit somewhere in a calm and quiet room, number one. Number two, you should have pen and paper because we will have speaking part 2 as well. Right, and make sure no one is around you, otherwise you'll feel ashamed or something like that. Okay, so don't worry at all about it, and answer every question. And when you answer, there should be 3 steps to answer. I'll give you around 20-25 seconds for each answer. Step 1, answer the question directly. Step 2, elaborate your answer, and step 3, conclude your answer. And the timer will be there, so there is that countdown timer, right? So you need to speak. When you see 5 seconds left, just conclude your answer. Okay, let's give it a try, and don't forget to comment your experience after going through this IELTS speaking mock test. Let's make a start. My name is Asad Yaqub and I'm going to conduct your IELTS speaking test. Are you ready for that? Good. What's your name, please? Nice name. Can I see your ID, please? Alright, shall we start your IELTS speaking test? Do you work or study? Okay, now let's go on. I'll ask you some more questions. Tell me something about your secondary school. Which subject did you find most difficult at school and why? Do you ever need that subject now? If yes, then why? If no, then why not? What did you enjoy about being a school student? Alright, now I'm going to talk to you about buildings. Are there any famous buildings in your hometown? If yes, then what are they? In what type of building do most people in your hometown live? Should buildings be attractive to look at? If yes, then why? If no, then why not? What is the most unusual building you have ever seen and why? Okay guys, now we move on to IELTS speaking part 2. This is your speaking part 2 topic. I'll give you 1 minute. You can read the topic and you can write down some notes during 1 minute time. And after 1 minute, you will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You may use pen and paper to jot down some notes. Your 1 minute starts now. You will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, thank you so much. That's the end of IELTS speaking part 2. Please give me the topic and pen and paper back. Now we move on to IELTS speaking part 3. When do people like to read the newspaper? How important is it for people to have a choice of newspaper? What does a good newspaper contain? Why do some people choose to read the newspaper on the internet rather than in a newspaper? How is internet news different from the news you read in the newspaper? Will internet news ever replace newspaper? If yes, then why? If no, then why not? Okay, thank you so much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking. Okay, all right. How was my acting? Huh? Yeah, like this. Okay. Well, anyways, guys. Now listen. Do one thing. Give yourselves a bench score. Go down, comment, and give yourselves the bench score. The way you performed, the way you spoke. You say, I deserve bench score 9. I deserve bench score 7. I deserve bench score 6. Give yourself a bench score, right? And if you like this video, if you really found this video beneficial, do comment and let me know if you want me to make more videos like this. I'll do that. I'll make at least 20-30 videos like this so that you could practice your speaking without going to any coaching center, right? Thank you so much. I will wait for your feedback. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore, and we offer IELTS test booking service as well. If you're interested in any of these things, you can contact me for that. My WhatsApp number is already given. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Bye-bye. Happy learning. Allah Hafiz.